So I'm at this flip, potentially flip house. Pretty neat looking driveway. Things I'm kind of looking for, of course, that AC unit. And get a good look at the house. Any siding, the roof, any foundation issues, which there is. Kind of a major foundation issue, but kind of slopes and slants and some areas. As you can see, the driveway, I'm sure it's coming from most of these trees, the roots and whatnot, but as I'm looking at the house, I'm looking at the brick, and as you can see, there's a huge crack right there inside of the brick, goes all the way down, and it's on the inside of the house. I'm gonna take you guys inside. Somebody replaced the decking here, maybe possibly try to cover something up, I'm not sure, but it's a huge slope to it. Anyways, I'm gonna go in the front door now. As I'm going in, you got this way to the living room. You got a little outdoor room slash to get outside, and you got this long hallway. When you go into the hallway, you got a bedroom here. Pretty simple. Got a closet. Oh shit. Okay, got a little tiny closet. You got a nice looking bathroom. It's actually not that bad in here. I mean, the paint colors is not that great. I hate the glass, but you got a pretty decent. Would have been nice if they would have put another shower head there. It's actually on the opposite side there. But anyways, so I'm coming in, taking a look at everything. There's another little closet here. You got the washer dryer room here. Pretty neat. Got the electrical panel box in there. Then you got this other bedroom. And you got kind of these slanted slope, 45-degree angle, which is nice. It's unique instead of your just standard traditional boxed room. But anyways, you come into the master, and this is really awkward but fun and neat at the same time. So you walk right into the huge bathroom. I mean, this thing is massive. You even got a fan in there. You got double sinks, which look fairly new. Did a pretty good job. I just don't like the countertops. You got a toilet here in this little bitty, tiny little room underneath the staircase. Then you got a huge master shower, steps down. You got a bench, right? You got double shower heads on both sides. The thing is actually pretty neat. And you come in here, and you can't really see, but there's a closet in there. There's a him and her closet. So as I'm walking through, remind you that this is still the bathroom. You got two windows. That's the front door right over there, with the deck there. Anyways, you're coming up, you got these stairs. And man, if it just wasn't for this, it would have been perfect. But you come into here, and you got this huge, like, game room. I mean, this thing's got to be, 30 feet long. And you come in here, and you got a little sink area. You got a toilet, and you have another bedroom. But it's really small. This is probably a 10 by 10 little bedroom. But I mean, I guess you can make this looking down. There's your bathroom, there's your door. Anyways, you're coming down up here, and I guess this is the master. I mean, you got a toilet up here upstairs. You got a bedroom over there in the corner over there. I have no idea why they did that, why they did it this way, but anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way to convert this somehow to make it a little bit more user friendly for the homeowner, right? You got these ugly lip staircase here with some cheapest of the cheapest laminate on top of it. So you're coming out of this room, out of the master, come back over here, coming into the living room, and you got a pretty decent size. I hate to step down, but this is the way they built them back then. This was nice back then, but anyways, you got a nice looking fireplace. I don't care for the tile. And I'm looking at the ceiling here. It's too bad those weren't exposed, because you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those beams that go straight across. You got 2 windows there, you got 2 windows there. It's already kind of open concept, because you got the kitchen, you got the bar, you got a really nice looking setup here. It's actually not that bad, and the lights don't work. Anyways, you got, your fridge, you got granite countertops already, you got a sink. And take for granted, this is probably one of the cleanest, best homes I've seen in a little while, but you got ugly tile on the walls. You got a little, I guess, computer station I'd probably knock out. Maybe do something with that. Inside here is your 2-car garage, but let me take you from the living room. Remember, that was where we came in from, into the living room, into the kitchen. You got a staircase. Again, goes up on the opposite side of the house, and you're going up. And you got something. Another huge room here that I just wouldn't know what to do with it. I mean, you want to make it a game room? Do you want to... This is the side of the yard in the front. And again, you got a huge room. This one doesn't have a bedroom off to the corner like the master did, but it's just funny. I mean, I suppose you could close this in, and possibly try to get, another room in here, maybe 2. I mean, this thing is huge. This thing is at least 30 feet long and about 20 feet wide. So looking down at the house, you got this additional side over there where we was. This is the master over there looking underneath that roof. Then you got this little middle section here in that hallway. Down there is the master bath. And you're coming through. It's 2 separate sides of the house. You got your neighbor over there. Hello, neighbor. It's pretty neat looking. I have no idea what that is, but that looks not too good. Anyways, it looks like blood splattering, but I don't think it is. But anyways, so yeah, it's a really awkward place. I just don't know what to do with it. I've never seen a house built this way, and I'm trying to figure out how I can get this property from, the low 200s is what I would be buying it at, and to the pending sales in this neighborhood at 440. And those houses that are pending right now, they are 4, and one of them is a 5-bedroom house. And just taking a look from here in the living room, again, that was where that loft style game room section kind of thing was. There's the kitchen. We're in the living room. The dining is, of course, over there. It's already pretty much open into the kitchen. It's a little high. Can't really put any bar stools there. That would probably go with that. So I don't know if we can maybe possibly drop that down. I would probably want to raise the floor if it's not too expensive. Put all brand new floors in here throughout the whole entire place. Just one matching either wood floor or a luxury vinyl tile, something like that. but it's a very unique house. The cabinetry is all good. Even most of the lighting is kind of decent and nice. You got some little, I don't know what you call those, track lighting looking deal up there. It's just really awkward, and I got to figure out a way to make this a 4 or a 5 bedroom and not too awkward to where it doesn't make sense. So yeah, see you got a crack there in the beam, well, in the sheetrock. So I'm gonna have to look into that. But again, this house is in the low 200s. This is what they're trying to get for it. A wholesaler actually contacted me, and I would love to do something with this house, but I just don't know what to do to make it flow. I'm not an architect. I mean, I don't mind knocking down a few walls and, you know, stuff like that, but in terms of reconfiguring a whole house to make it flow, and let's go in this bedroom. So you got a little small little closet there. This is actually weird right here because that is the backyard and this is the side of the house. So this one stands on the back corner here, and I can feel a slope as we go down into the corner of this room. So it kind of goes down and then it kind of goes up here. But yeah, very, very awkward house. But it looks like so much fun, especially because of this room right here. I mean, I've been in bathrooms that are big, right? But this is just so awkward. You come down, I don't know, you're butt naked and you know, your wife comes down or whatever, and there's no stopping it now. I mean, you've already seen it. So, I mean, I don't know if this can be closed off to get a little privacy in the bathroom. I mean, this is kind of just a really awkward deal. Anyways, let me think about this. And again, that bedroom upstairs is just, I don't know what to think about that. Again, I'm gonna go up there one more time. And it's just so weird. This room is so huge and massive, and it's like just a waste. Just a waste. I can't believe it. Anyways, and you go into this big, huge room, into a small, tiny, little bitty 10 by 10 room, and it's, I don't know, maybe this is a closet. Maybe we can make this just a huge master closet up here. Yeah, maybe just a huge master closet. You got a little toilet area and a little sink, and then maybe we can make this down here. Maybe we could turn this closet into a, oh, I can put the actually light on there. Maybe I can turn this room, it looks like a sauna. It's not, it's actually a closet though. And this, maybe I can convert this into a bedroom here. You know what, that would actually probably make sense. It's big enough where we can turn this pretty much into a room. Let's see the backside of that. Okay, yeah. So we could actually do that and knock out that wall, kind of close this in a little bit, make that another bedroom. Yeah, that's the way it would have to be done. Maybe try to possibly, yeah, that's about it. I can close that door off, frame that in, make it to where the entrance is down the hall over here, into a bedroom. And yeah, that's the way it would have to be done. Okay. just to make another bedroom out of it, because upstairs we already know is kind of a waste. Let me turn off the light. Anyways, I'm Daniel, Flippin' Reality Homes, and if you have any questions or any concerns about what you think and how this can be done with 2 of those rooms that are upstairs, loft style, 1 in the master, let me know. Comment, let me know what you think. Bye.